Full disclosure, this set was sent to me for evaluation purposes, but all opinions are my own. Whoa, guys, right here, we got a box of Findking knives. Yes, Findking Dynasty 4-piece knife set right here. You got 4 knives in one. Beautiful gift set box right here. Let's open this box up and see what we get inside. Boom, here's your logo. Boom, be the king of your kitchen. Woo! Be the king of your kitchen. Unboxing the Findking knives. Wow. Woo! Oh, wow. Look at those blades. The little maintenance instructions. So that's how you take care of your knives. Make sure you take care of your knives because they'll take care of you. We got certification for the knives. Little cloth right here from Findkings. Poof. Look at these beautiful knives right here, guys. Wow. Wow. And they're covered up right now. Look at these knives. Amazing. Amazing. Each of the 4 knives right here have different purposes. They're all made with clad steel and rosewood. Oh yeah, rosewood handles, and the handles have some octagon shape to it right there. Very comfortable to hold and very amazing grip. 4 different blades right here. Oh man, look how nice those blades are. You get 4 blades, complete set right here. The smallest blade right here, this is the 5-inch utility knife. Woo, look at that. Nice, sharp. It's a tool with comfort and control. Oh yeah, own your kitchen. Be the king of your kitchen. Next up right here, whoa, this one is the big one. This is a 7-inch Nariki knife. Look at that. Also made with clad steel and rosewood octagonal handle right there. Precision, control, comfort. Oh yeah, what would you cook up with this 7-inch Nariki knife right here? Woo! Boom! Next up right here, we got the Santoku knife right here. 7-inch Santoku knife. Again, made of clad steel on the blade. Rosewood on the handle, octagonal shape right here, designed for comfort and precision. Oh yeah, you're gonna make some great masterpiece in the kitchen with knives like this. Woo! Sharp, elegant, control, precision. Findkings. The last knife right here, this is the 8-inch chef knife. Oh yeah, size does matter, and this is a true weapon of choice for the chef in you to own up the kitchen. Nice clad steel blade, rosewood handle, octagonal shape, comfort, good balance, precision, comfort. Cook some good food. Be the chef of your kitchen with this 8-inch chef knife right here. Those are the 4 amazing knives that come with this set. They don't only look good, they're made of amazing quality material, sharp, durable, high quality comfort. You got precisions and control and balance. These knives are crafted for you so that you can create your creation in the kitchen and craft some masterpiece food. Findking 4-piece knife set right here. Oh yeah, quality, comfort, durability. Yo, what more can you want in a set of kitchen knives like this and a beautiful gift set box? Findkings got you covered with these beautiful 4-blade knife set right here. Oh yeah.